Hi Pixelers! Grab your pencils and paper because today we're going to draw the chess queen. For this drawing we'll need a black colored pencil. This drawing is 25 squares tall and 11 squares wide. Let's begin. Skip 5 squares from left to right. In 7 square, mark 1. Bottom left to diagonally. Bottom left to vertically. Top left 1. From this square, bottom right 3 vertically. From this square, bottom right to diagonally. Bottom right to vertically. Top right 1. From this square, bottom left 3 vertically. From this square, right 3 horizontally. From this square, bottom right to diagonally. From this square, bottom left 1. From this square, bottom left 1. Bottom right 5 horizontally. Top right 1. From this square, down 8 vertically. From this square, down 8 vertically. At the same level as this square, right 3 horizontally. From this square, bottom left to diagonally. Bottom left 4 vertically. From this square, bottom right to diagonally. Bottom right 4 vertically. From this square, right 9 horizontally. From this square, right 7 horizontally. From this square, skip 1 square down and mark 9 horizontally. Now let's color in all the squares we marked. In the top corner, I leave a link to my Spanish pixel art channel where you can find hundreds of tutorials. All the videos have subtitles. And here's our drawing for today. If you like it, don't forget to support the video with a super pixelated like. Thank you so much, pixelers, for being here in another video. I'm sending you a big hug full of love from my pixelated heart. I'm Paito, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!